Happy Chinese New Year! Join me in celebrating with my family.
We'll cook reunion dinner with auspicious ingredients, Hakka tea rice using herbs from our garden, and bring you to the best Hakka Lei Cha in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Oh my goodness!
What is this? Panasonic, what is this?
What is that?
Blender. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a blender.
Part of your Chinese New Year gift.
Wow.
We're gonna use this to make Hakka Lei Cha.
Oh.
Oh, this is the spice blender.
Oh, wow. Wow. Glass ka? Wow, very good lah. My plastic ko.
Yeah.
Yeah, glass lah ito. Glass is good.
Why is glass good?
So, it won't stick lah. When you stick is when you blend something like
Oh, turmeric.
Turmeric.
Oh, so it wouldn't stay.
Yeah, when it will stay, when glass with plastic it will stay.
Oh.
咩都得喎，苦肉。
My mother likes to make this tablet from the herb in our garden. It's called green charetta or Empedu Bumi in Malay, or in Chinese what is it called?
蛇草。
A herb in our garden to make a medicine to treat sore throat and other viral infections.
And you can check it out here.
Apa ni? Oh, I have peel.
Fish maw, fish like a stomach or loads of fish.
I have mushroom.
This is wild mushroom.
More mushroom. Oh, lắc chồng. Cái này lớn chồng.
Chinese sausage.
Oh, another packet. Yok chồng, cột đúng. So big box ah.
Yeah.
This is like eight. Let me see. Oh, that. Wow, make it very tight.
红燒鮑魚 abalone.
Fine. Lập腸啊！哦，呢個係呢個係
Sea cucumber.
sea cucumber, so tiny.
Yeah, so small.
You can, when you soak already, it will be quite big, you know. It looks small only,
Okay.
but after soaking, it will be at least this big.
Okay. Tell your friends, stay till the end for the recipes.
Stay till the end for the recipe.
Yes, and let me know where you're watching this from and whether you are celebrating Chinese New Year at the comment box below. You like comments, right?
Yeah. Okay, you'll know.
We start making tonight's reunion dinner with poaching a whole chicken, so we also get chicken stock at the same time.
Full poached chicken out. This is what I normally do in my Hainanese chicken rice class.
I poached the kampung chicken for about 30 minutes and then immediately put it into ice bath. This is to prevent the chicken from being overcooked and also to plump up its skin. Normally, we make ginger coriander dip for our poached chicken. I've linked the video above, but this year we found a new delicious yet easy recipe. Just combine garlic, chili, coriander, spring onions with some sesame oil and soy sauce. In the soup base, we add more ingredients like red dates, scallops, and jinhua ham or gamwa phở thủy. Lastly, put in soaked fish maw. This
Mommy, what is that?
醉蝦
boiled Hongzhou red eggs, tongsam, codonopsis root, and yokjok Solomon seal together.
How come prawn is so important for reunion?
嘻哈大笑 laughing for meaning happiness, no?
Because ha sounds like laughter.
She marinates the prawn in Chinese rice wine, salt, and white pepper. Pour them into the herbal base. Cook until the prawns just turn red, and top with some goji berries at the end. Finally, pour in as little or as much wine as you like. That's it. The next auspicious dish involves braising mushroom and oyster overnight in seasonings like oyster sauce and soya sauce.
What does it mean, 好事?
好事 What does it mean? 好事 Good things will happen, yes.
We're also adding sea
Must be an
cucumber.
expensive one.
Don't be fooled by its name, it's actually a sea creature. It's also known as vacuum cleaner of the sea. In the middle of the blanched vegetables, we pour in the braised sauce that's now topped with canned abalone and fish maw. This is my reunion dinner menu for the Year of the Tiger. We have poached chicken, braised mushroom, abalone and sea cucumber, duck, fish maw soup, and herbal drunken prawns.
Which one is your favorite?
Soup.
This one.
That's the best.
What?
Cat soup.
No,
Best
earlier
food
still Hang Gai Di Sun Yi Heng On.
What does it mean?
So that means celebrate New Year is a celebration of the Chinese New Year and
I think my mother should just stick to
kind
cooking.
of hang on kind of.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay, what are we making today?
We're making Lei Cha today.
What shall we do?
Prepare the veggie
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll get some herbs from the garden.
Okay, let's go. We've got most of the vegetables here, but we also need to get some herbs from the garden. A very important herb is coriander. We prefer using sawtooth coriander because it tastes more intense than the common one, and also because it's much easier to plant. Next, we need mugwort or ngai in Chinese. The Japanese also use this plant if you have eaten green mochi. This is where the color comes from. Then we'll get Thai basil and an extremely rare plant called kuipkam. Okay, this is new. The last time you didn't use it.
Yeah.
This kuipkam is thorny, bitter and thorny. Not the kind of life that I want. Now we've got all the herbs that we need, it's time to go back to the kitchen to cook. There's a lot of work to do. First, we need to chop all the vegetables into small pieces, and then we need to roast a few things. Then we need to blend the soup in that Panasonic blender, and you'll see. My mom loves Hakka Lei Cha, but she doesn't like to make it because
A lot of work. A lot of cutting. And then the herbs so not easy to get.
I know they have got in the pattern, so
what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry it, and then
Blend.
blend
It's too long.
this.
So I cut it smaller.
We got the basil, coriander, mugwort, mint, and the bitter leaves. Do you think we can put the hot vegetable inside?
Grass should be okay, right?
Where do you get it? Why is it in the plastic?
Your mother will give me.
Oh,
It's green tea.
it's from my mother-in-law. Okay, okay, I'll check it out.
The saw one 啊，佢嘅唔覺得咁好啦。
嗯，
佢嘅 it's not just sharp like this only. There's a saw. See, a comb like that.
I love to cook, but I don't like to spend too much time in the kitchen, so I like to find the most efficient way of doing everything in the kitchen. Instead of roasting the peanuts in the wok, I'll do it in the chubby oven. Just roast it for about 7 minutes. It means we...
Burning.
Oh, so this is better than the wok?
Wok 生出嚟會嘅 burn。好靚啊，唔會話燶啊。
In that 7 minutes, you can do the other things like chopping vegetables or toasting sesame seeds. Ready?
Wow, very fast. Wow. Wow, so fine, so good. Oh yeah. I think enough. When you're not enough, you need to add more.
if you want it thicker, you can put more in, correct?
Yeah. Some
You
people
just
just like it very
adjust.
strong. Yeah,
The consistency. If you like.
To celebrate the 7th day of Chinese New Year, we'll prepare 7 side dishes. Since we did all the chopping earlier, now we go straight into cooking. Dish number 1 is fried preserved radish with onions and dried leaves.
All the vegetables.
Oh, this is salted radish. It will give the dish more flavor because the vegetables are bitter and it's a bit bland without meat. So we need this. Correct? So how many?
Dish side out.
When you know it's ready?
When it's all dry,
Okay. We're also adding dried shrimps, which is optional.
This veggie take the longest. The rest all very fast.
I thought this is vegetarian.
Vegetarian. If you without the dried shrimp, it's vegetarian already. But some people like to put this one for non-vegetarian.
Some people like you,
Yes.
my mom loves dried shrimp. She put in everything, including steamed egg when we were younger, and then we will complain.
Why is it taking so long?
Dry prawn you must cook slow fire, and then if it's simply cooked, the smell is not nice. It's
Slow fire. Slowly cook it until
you dry up,香香啦。佢 dry 咗，睇佢出邊睇到冇？It's so dry up now.
put in the onions and cook until lightly brown. Put in the fried salted radish, mix well, and dish out the most important side dish of all.
If the hard one I'll cut smaller. This one quite soft, so at the end I cut too small. Okay, the bread.
Next is tofu. Get harder ones, chop into cubes, fry in oil, and season with some salt.
This part uses the most oil, but my mother says it's necessary because for a vegetarian dish, this is the source of protein.
This took some time to cook as well.
Too much oil.
Next up is leek.
Why will always have this leek in
佢嗰扎麵算好嘛，有得計嘛。
chutney.
Keep it for New Year.
Uh-huh.
Over the year we can count things.
So leek, it's called shin
Shin.
in Cantonese.
Yeah.
And shin sounds like counting. Throughout the year, you want to have something to count, correct? An auspicious and aromatic vegetable that is essential for this recipe.
To put a little bit of water.
Next, what's next?
French bean.
You can also use long beans, but my mother prefers French beans because it's sweeter and softer. As you can see, it's not difficult to make Hakka Lei Cha, it's just tedious.
Lastly, we'll fry 2 vegetables, choy-sum and Jalan.
Fry these vegetables in garlic, then season with salt. For Jalan, you need sugar as well.
Yes, Jalan of the sugar.
Oh!
The rest one no need except Jalan. So much of it.
Finally, after all the hard work, it's time to assemble our homemade Lei Cha. Put all the side dishes around the rice, top with roasted sesame seeds and peanuts, and serve the soup separately.
So nice, so green. This one light green. This kind of cat people. Cat. Hak Yan.
Okay,
Hakka
Hakka people.
people.
Yeah.
Hakka people. And then it's called Ho Hak. And then
It's a
province,
place,
right? It's a
Yeah.
place of the.
Okay.
So when Chinese New Year, 年初七 7 day, they will cook 7 dish.
Okay,
For this. Yeah, exactly 7.
Ooh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. And then on the 15th, they will cook 15 dishes.
50.
Yes, all the different veggies.
French beans, sayumanis,
I see.
this is the mixed radish,
Alright.
onions, and dried shrimps, Jalan, choy-sum.
You have a question?
Yeah, are you Hakka? If yes, tell me on the comments box.
It's done.
Okay, mommy, teach your friends how to eat this.
Wow, you know, some people they like it. They mix it all together, put the soup all in.
Like bibimbap.
Yes.
Okay.
And then some just eat individually.
Yummy. I like to put in a lot of soup. That's the good stuff, the healthiest part with all the herbs inside. But it's not bitter actually, surprisingly. It's not bitter. There's the fruit come, but there's mint. Mint is fragrant.
Yeah.
Coriander also. Yeah. Nice.
Tofu is nice, huh?
This is normally a vegetarian meal, so they wouldn't serve this, the radish, onions and shrimps, which makes all the difference. If you like more videos on Malaysian culture and food, subscribe. Going to a local restaurant in Kuala Lumpur, possibly only known to Hakka Lei Cha lovers. They are making Hakka abacus, one of my favorite Hakka food. But this is what we are here for. On top of the usual side dishes, I like that they serve black eyed pea as well. That's because mom uses dried shrimps and a generous amount of herbs and peanuts in her soup. This one is purely vegetarian. My mom doesn't like vegetarian food. Compared to a lot of Hakka Lei Cha out there, this is my favorite.
This is the best among all.
Besides Lei Cha, there are plenty of other good food. It has tofu, dried shrimps, and leeks or chives inside. This place is at Segambut. Don't leave yet because I still have a lot of other food to show you.
Oh, dumpling.
Hakka steamed pork belly with yam, tau yok. Something not Hakka, this is Vietnamese style chicken. We're home with all the food we've bought for my husband. We bought 10 packets of fish biscuits, super crispy and light with chili. I highly recommend this. Pork belly with eggs and mantau bun. Nam Yu fried chicken. Our feast cost about 200 ringgit. Follow me to more of these local restaurants. Check out this playlist. I'll see you there. This vegetable, pucuk manis, is very easy to plant. We're just going to put this into the soil later. This recipe is something my mom don't like to make because it's a lot of work. So many years ago during my birthday, I asked her to teach me. So I've got a written recipe.